How to remove someone from your Netflix account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove someone from your Netflix account. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. First step, what you'll need to do is open up your Netflix. So just head over to netflix.com or open up your Netflix app. After you do that, what you'll need to do is here you'll find the profiles of everyone. So you will need to open up the profile that you'll want to remove. You can tap on manage profiles first. Tap on manage profiles. And after you do that, you'll find the edit icon on each of the profiles. Now head over to the one that you want to delete. I'll just tap on this edit icon and you should be on the manage profile and preferences. Scroll down here and there you'll find delete profile. Tap on delete profile and confirm the deletion. After that, that profile will basically get deleted, and after the profile gets deleted, that user is no longer there. Now make sure that the other profiles are password protected so the user cannot access other profiles. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.